Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video was a makeup tutorial. As you can tell on this look that you see right here, I am loving it. I have been in like the weirdest makeup funk. I've been trying to film and create a look for you guys the last 2 days and I've just not had any luck, honestly. And every time I've tried, something has gone wrong. And today I was like, no, today's the day I'm filming a tutorial. But you know what? I'm not even gonna lie. I messed up earlier and I was like about to give up. I was like, oh my God. But I said, relax. It's all good, girl. Just see what happens. Just let it flow and see what happens. And here we are. I'm so happy I didn't give up because this look, you guys, like, ooh. Yes, girl. I hope you guys are excited for this video. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up? I'm Monica. Thank you so much for being here. Nice to meet you and welcome to my channel. Before the video starts, make sure that you become part of our family right now by subscribing down below. Yeah, I don't really got anything else to say. If you guys want to see how to create this cut crease look, then just keep on watching. Alright, I brought you guys in a little bit closer. Today we're going to be using the JACLYN Hill Bling Boss palette and the Ring the Alarm palette from the Vault collection. They're the only two that I have, but I used both of them to create this cut crease. So let's get into it. By the way, ignore the bakeage. I have it on there because 1, I want to bake, and then 2, in case I have any fallout, the powder will catch it. So we're going to start off the look with the Ring the Alarm palette, and we're going to take the shade Rush right here, and I'm taking a Morphe R38 blending brush and applying this on the crease in the outer corner. When I was doing this look, I originally was gonna do like a half cut crease, which is why I'm applying the color on the outer corner. And then it wasn't until I was cutting the crease I was like, you know what, I kind of want to do a full cut crease. It's been a minute, let's get into it. So I'm doing my eyeshadow exactly like how I did on the other side. Although I know I'm going to be doing a cut crease, I really don't need to be putting eyeshadow right here. I just want to follow the steps that I did last time just so it comes out the same. Now that we have that on there, I'm going to go into the Bling Boss palette and take the shade Sparks right here and apply it with a little flat brush into my crease. As you can see, I'm just like patting on the color first just to get it all in the areas really nice and pigmented. And then we'll start to blend it out with a smaller brush. Now I'm going to take a Morphe M431 and kind of start to diffuse those lines. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade right here, Alert, to kind of blend that out. And this brush I'm using was from a eyeshadow palette I got from Rue 21, but it's just a small little blending brush. I'm taking my Morphe M514 just to blend it all out. Now a clean brush, mine's a little dirty from the last time I used it on my other eye, but this is clean for the most part. I'm going to just diffuse the top edges here. Now I'm going to take the shade Mystic. I brushed off this little shader brush, and what I'm going to do is turn it on its side. I'm going to use that to blend it out. I'm going into a little bit of Sparks and a little bit of Rockstar, which is a purple color. And I'm going to just apply that on the crease. Ooh, she's pigmented. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that first orange transition and a Morphe what is this? 562. Make sure she's all nicely blended. I have more of Mystic on my brush, and I'm taking this little small detailer brush. This is a Morphe M149. I'm going to just do little circular motions to blend up that purple color. I'm taking the shade Bling Bling to highlight the brow bone, just like this. I'm taking a little bit of this like egg white color. This is by Wet n Wild, I believe. It's just a single shadow in the color Brulee. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone because I feel like I need something a little lighter and like a matte shade instead of the shimmer. So I'm going to add that on top of that shimmer. Now it's time to cut the crease. And the brush I'm using is a little like eyeliner brush from Sephora. Once I have the general shape down, I'm taking this really thin brush and just making sure this is as cut as possible. And for our lid, we're gonna be taking 2 shimmer shades. We're gonna take the shade Bling Bling, which I had initially put on my brow bone, and then the shade Glitz and Glam. I'm gonna apply Bling Bling to like this first area of my lid, and then apply Glitz and Glam to like the rest of the lids. Also, make sure you spray your brush a little bit because they work so much better when they're a little damp. Alright, now that we have all of the top eyeshadows on, I can go ahead and dust off this baking powder. Let me dust it off on this side too. So I'm going to take by Essence a Metal Shock liquid eyeshadow. This one is in the shade, do we have a name? Do we have a name? Stars and Stories, and it almost matches the lid color. So I'm going to apply this all along the crease where we cut it, and you can kind of see it, you kind of can't, but it makes it pop, I really feel like. So I'm going to do that really quick, and I'm using a very, very thin brush, that little green one. And since it's like the same color, you don't have to be like super worried about getting it onto the like shadows you have on the lid, because like I said, it matches, so it's totally cool. Just try not to get it in the crease, like on the matte shades. So for the lash line, I'm going to go into Mystic and tap her on the lash line. I'm going to coat the lashes with mascara. So for lashes today, I'm using the Salon Perfect 614 lashes. I'm going to pop these on with some Kiss Strip Lash Glue. Alright, those lashes are on there. Now I'm going to take some Jordana liner and line the top of my lashes and line the lower. So we're going to do the lower lash line how we always do the lower lash line. All of the colors on the crease are going to be put down below. But as you can see, we kind of bring the shadows underneath where we kind of cut the crease. It's kind of like the wing of the shadow. So I'm just going to first apply that first transition shade. I'm not bringing that one up yet. I'm just packing on the transition, and then lightly I'm going to start to bring it out this way. When we get with the darker colors, we'll stay closer to that area, but since we want this part to be a little bit blended out, I'm going to lightly take it up there. Now going in with Sparks, which is that red color, I'm going to apply this. This is like a flat shader brush. Now I'm going to bring this slightly up like that, and I'm going in with Rockstar, which is a purple shade, and I'm doing the same exact thing. And now I'm going in with Mystic, which was the darkest color we used, and we're going to bring her up. It's kind of almost like we're winging out our eye with the eyeshadow from the bottom, which I think is a super cool effect. I've never done that before. So in our inner corner, we're going to put Bling Bling, which we've already used a couple times in this tutorial already. We're going to do a little bit of lower lash mascara. Alright, and the eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and finish everything else off camera, and I will be right back. Alright you guys, and this is the final look completed. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right now down below, and I will just check you guys out in my next one as always. Bye guys!